Hi guys, my name is Kiva.
And this is DIY with KB.
And Wiener.
And Wiener.
And Wiener. Okay guys, so today we're doing something we've never done before. We are doing a vlog. Because this week we were just like kind of living and chugging through life. We didn't have any big projects to finish up, but that is not a reason to not make a video. I think living life and seeing how we save money, how we design our house, and how we
go shopping.
Yeah, all that stuff is really cool and interesting. I don't know if it's cool, but it's interesting. It's interesting to me. And I will say that we kind of just like went for it. We woke up one day, we were like, let's just try and vlog. So there aren't really any transitions. We just go to a bunch of stores, talk about the things we see, the deals we find, how to like do that. And then there's just going to be some recapping and just like some more personality in it. We edit out so much, just to like make it seem like we're trying to give you information, but we're also trying to like live our lives with you. So let's do that together. If you like this video and you like any of our content,
like, subscribe, and follow Kiva on Instagram.
But when this goes up, it will be Thanksgiving Day. So we hope that you're having
a happy holidays.
A happy holiday, and we hope that you're being safe. And I know that this holiday looks super different for everybody, and that's okay. Do what you got to do to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Now let's just do it. Oh, we're in Target. We need to get out of the house because we just need to get out of the house. And now we're in the paint section, and I don't need any paint. I've never seen these before in Target. All of these different types of wallpaper. I really like this one. I mean, obviously there's no pink in my house, but I just really like it. The metallic look. What's that? I like these.
That's what we were trying to do, except this is printed.
Yeah. Oh, it's printed.
Yeah.
That's smart. I don't like the colors, but it is a good idea. This is our first time in HomeGoods in such a long time. We've been taking a break and they have so many good crystals. All of these lamps are shagreen. I hate this color lampshade, but look at that. I like that a lot. They have so many good mirrors here, but I don't need a mirror. Now we're at home, and you guys hate at home, but it's a good place. Some other stuff really is bad, but some other stuff is also super duper good and affordable and really takes your house to the next level, and I'm about to prove it to you.
We're just walking around.
I like this.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's new.
You guys can make this in a second, but for $79 and the size of the frame, that's honestly pretty good. Look at those. They're like textiles with a print on them in a frame. That's such a good if you have like a farmhouse or traditional home. You could do these yourself, but honestly the price is pretty good for $45. I really like them. I would do a gallery wall with something like that. I also love that, but I have nowhere to put it and I feel like I can make it, but watercolor, you guys, that's the key here. She told me to video this. I'm not sure how much it is. So I just knocked that over and it was pretty heavy, but I did not break it. Guys, I love how earthy this is. It's only $50. I really want this, but I have like 100 lamps and I don't turn any of them on. It's so heavy.
I like the handles.
Super RH to me. I also like this one, but I like this one more. Should we get this?
No.
Oh, okay.
You literally have 50 million lamps.
Well, I need 50 million in one. Thank you. Okay, so we just left at home and we're in the car. Do you have your phone, honey?
Yeah. You're holding yours.
No, I just want to make sure you had yours.
Oh, yeah.
And we're thinking about making some updates to the bedroom. So I think where it was before is I think I updated the bedroom again because I like felt anxious about YouTube. I feel like that's like a theme. And I feel like people don't talk about that. Like the pressure to like put out content that you think people like. So I don't feel like I updated it in the way that I wanted to. And when you walk into our room, I'll show you when we get home, there's like a natural place for the bed to go, and that's not where our bed currently is. So we want to kind of figure out how we can do that and make it look more open, because obviously we like our bedroom to look minimalist, but right now it looks empty because of the placement. So we kind of want to fix that. And then we're also having a problem with our dressers, but that's like a whole other thing. I can't solve that right now, but we're gonna go to Lowe's
and get somebody for a big painting. The problem is that the bed doesn't like fit because we got such a huge bed, which is good. We like the bed, but it doesn't fit in the alcove anymore. But
the problem with that in the first place was that the alcove, like there wasn't room for our bedside tables anyway, so it was already awkward.
yeah, it was weird.
So this might actually be better. We don't like use our bedside tables a ton, but like I sleep with like Tums by the bed because you never know. Water, a place for your phone. We're trying to do better with phones like at nighttime. So having a place to put them is really good. Anyway, we want bedside tables. So we're thinking that this could be a good idea. So we're going to look up art right now in the car. Then we're going to get like wood to frame it out. I think we have a canvas, but we might buy an extra one. And then I have to make sure I have like enough paint to like do what it is. So we're at Lowe's now. And this is a little tip. If you're doing like huge art and you don't want to pay for like nice paint, I actually just come and get interior paint from Lowe's or a hardware store and have them tint it for me. It's way more affordable because small things of paint cost a lot of money, and this is just for like the background color. So a money saving tip for you guys. Are you happy, babe?
Look at these paint crystals to make your paint sparkly. I don't know
Let's
why
skip that in 2021. Let's skip it. And then tell us about the other deal.
There's a $12 rebate, it says over there, so it'll end up being $8.
Guys, this is a whole nice waffle iron for $8. Yeah, so all Joseph and OXO is 40% off, which is great because at like OXO, like a spoon is like $200. So it's a really good deal. So we're in the last act section. So that's where you want to go and then price check everything. You can go to machine or you can do it on your phone. Okay, guys, you're going to see the worst part about me and babe. We're at our storage unit. Let's get on this elevator.
We're going to the storage unit. We haven't been here in months.
Since the summer.
Yeah. It's a mess.
Hey, we played Tetris. It was definitely a sort of Tetris situation. Because when we first moved here, we got this huge sofa, which is on sale right now. Great sofa, just like not our style. Honey, will you hold this? Maybe you can.
And it'll be an excellent sofa in a future basement, but
Yeah,
we don't have a basement right now.
Sofa.
We didn't want to throw it, or we didn't want to give it away yet or sell it, so.
Selling furniture is so hard, especially right now.
And we were even going to get a second storage unit.
Okay, guys, you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
It doesn't look that bad.
Hold on, let's do a close-up. Okay, so it's like 5 feet by 15 feet at the very least. 2 mattresses in here, all that stuff back there. So now we have to find our nice scarves, because I threw them in here like a silly lady. Here. First step, get rid of this chair that no one has ever used, but I won't part with. Well, guys, just so you know, a Casper mattress is super compact. Well, Casper sponsor me. The end. There they are. Ta-da.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So since we're here, let's chat. So again, when we first moved, we just graduated, so we didn't have that much money. So a lot of things were hand-me-downs. And then as we developed a style, I accrued a lot of things. And I firmly believe that like all these things will be used like in a client's home, in our home, in our future home. So I have so many different types of things.
And Kiva's grandmother is an artist, so a lot of these are her paintings that we don't want to get rid of and we'll want at some point, but they don't.
These are actually mirrors.
Oh.
Yeah. So I also collect gold ornate mirrors because one day I want my house to look like the White House for absolutely no reason. But anyway, this is my bohemian storage box. So you can't really look in here because like everything will come crashing down on me. But if you see a little bit, there's like wicker lamps, ledges, peace symbols, whatever. We have a sofa back there. I have a million console tables. And now that our skills are better, I firmly believe that like I can upcycle a lot of these things in my new client's house. But let's open this up and see what's in here. And this is really fun, guys, because a good way to here are all the cushions for the sofa. Should I bring these back?
Do you want them?
I felt like we decided we liked them more full.
Sure, you're right.
No, we shouldn't. Because if they ended up here, probably a very good reason for it. Okay, guys, so all of our winter clothes in here, and I'm going to tell you a funny story. So my grandmother does not buy anything new, ever. She likes shop at the Goodwill, and it's really smart. And she found this authentic Louis Vuitton scarf at the Goodwill for like, I think like $20. last year, and this is what she got Anne for Christmas. She got me a pie that I'm pretty sure she got from the supermarket and defrosted, but it was really good, so
Yeah.
fine with me. Okay, guys, this is my winter jacket. I don't like, it's super wrinkled, obviously. It's fine. I had this period in life. I actually was going to go into real estate. I've always wanted to, obviously, build houses, flip houses, stuff like that. But then the pandemic happened and I wasn't able to do that immediately, but I want to do it long term. But anyway, I did all the shopping for all of these like really formal business clothes, but now I'm mostly in the house or like doing science, so I don't need anything that looks really nice. But hopefully soon. This is not one of those things, but the storage unit made me think of it. But I think I'll take this one home. Okay, guys, now I just wanted to give you a little bit of a recap of the things we picked up this week. So I got these 2 crystals on stands for $14.99 each from HomeGoods, and I actually had a gift card from something I had returned. So these are so cute. I mean, crystals this size are normally like $40, at least at my HomeGoods. So I feel like this is a steal. And then at Macy's, I got this silicone basting brush set. And you're like, why do you need that? Well, when I make chicken and stuff, I actually really do need it. And it was originally $10. I got it for $3.93. We also got this waffle maker. It was originally around $50. It was on sale for $20, and then we had a rebate, so then it was only $8, which is incredible. I didn't want to spend too much money on it because we eat waffles like probably quarterly, if I'm being honest. So that was a great steal. The best thing I got was this pan set. So we got a 10-piece Keflon. Is that how you call it? Keflon, right? I feel like someone's gonna be like, no, but that's okay. This Keflon 10-piece pan set for $129. One of these pans is normally $129, so this blew me away. And that blows me away because we actually have not purchased new pots and pans since I think 5 years ago. We actually bought the Tasty set when it came out, and it's worked really well. It gets horrible reviews on Walmart, but it's still non-stick. We cook with them all the time and we love them, but it was time to upgrade, especially since we need to do a little bit of organization. And so Macy's isn't just good for like home stuff and bedding. Obviously, I am not a fashion channel. If you want to know how to like dress in clothes covered in paint, I'm your girl. But I am a huge fan of athleisure. Athleisure would be, that is just my style. And Macy's always has really good sales on that too. So Nike, I literally wear all Nike pretty much every day that I'm not doing a project. I just really like it. And Macy's is the only place I ever get those things on sale. And with Black Friday, a lot of the things are like 40 and 60% off. So I got like 3 sweatshirts, some sweatpants, and some other things for $200. I got at least 10 things. So for Nike, that's incredible because if you walk in the normal Nike store, that's normally about 2 things. So Macy's is a good place to go. Now I am going to make a pie for Thanksgiving dinner and do some work, but that's about it. So yeah, this was the vlog. This is a few days in our life. Obviously, we didn't go in depth about all the other things that we do. We try to keep it home decor related, but we have a good time looking around together. We spend a lot of time just walking through stores and figuring stuff out. But I hope you're able to see all the good deals and do a little bit of a shop with me and get to know us a little bit better. I think I really struggle with like trying to be perfect online, that it hinders me almost. So I'm just trying to be myself and do real talk with you guys. I think as like a Black woman who is also like a part of the LGBT community, there aren't very many people who look like me or are like me on YouTube doing interior design or home decor. If they are and you know of them, please send them my way. I would really like to have more people in my life that I have those commonalities with. But I think that there's just like a lot of stigma, and that stigma definitely makes me anxious. But I shouldn't let that stand in my way. I think it's not about what I look like or, you know, any intricacies of my life. It's really about like, do I give you good home decor advice? Do I help you find good deals? Do I help you make your house look beautiful on a budget? That to me is the most important thing. And honestly, all I want for you to do is accept me as I accept you, and let's save some money together. Another thing that I also really struggle with is the fact that I went to school for science. I am technically a scientist by trade. You know, I grew up my whole life thinking I was gonna do one thing. I grew up pretty poor, and my grandmother worked really hard to be able to send me to really nice schools and stuff like that. And I succeeded at those places, but I'm definitely not doing what I think we had always planned. Not to say that what I'm doing is like wrong or anything like that. I think coming to terms with that with myself, that it's okay that my interests are in interior design and not like you know, I don't know, sells like I always thought it would be, that's okay, and that's not like a worse thing to be interested in. But I'm overcoming that, and I want to overcome it with you and come a little bit more out of my shell. So we're just gonna do it together. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I ramble on a lot. That's also why I did a lot. I love to talk. So if any of you are talkers like me, let me know down in the comments, DM me, let's be best friends. But have a nice holiday if you celebrate it, and thank you so much for watching. Babe says bye.
Bye.